Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the environment so the auto-execution is reliable. Create a Swift script with a proper shebang and make it executable. Test it by running it directly to catch syntax or permission errors. Once done, decide your scheduler. On Mac OS, use launched. On Linux, use systemd or cron. Make sure to use absolute paths inside the script and set a minimal environment. This prevents failures when the script runs without a user shell, and it saves time in later debugging. You now implement the core execution details and logging so the task runs predictably. Add clear argument parsing and return meaningful exit codes. Write logs with timestamps to a file so you can audit runs later. If using launched, create a well-formed list with program arguments and either start interval or start calendar interval. For systemd, create a service unit. Also set the working directory and environment variables explicitly, because automated runtimes don't inherit You finish by deploying and verifying the automated job. Load and enable the job with launchtool or systemtool, then trigger a manual run to confirm behavior. Monitor logs in real time and make sure log rotation is configured to avoid disk growth. Finally, lock down file permissions and add code signing if the platform requires it. If something fails, first check permissions and absolute paths. Most automation issues trace to the environment or missing privileges, so fix those before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.